Hey guys, guess where I am now? Take a wild guess. Now I'm currently at Robinson's The Gardens Mall and I'm here not for shopping, but to get my hair checked. Now I always love trying on new styles on my hair. I've gotten it bleach, I've got it in perm, and I've gotten it coloured. But recently, over the past couple of months, I realised that my hair has been getting rather dry despite all the treatments I've been doing regularly. Now I got to know lately that the hair care brand from Sisley, Paris, Hair Rituel, has recently come up with a brand new high-tech device that is able to analyze the hair's fibre and the scalp. So this is going to be available at all their beauty counters from September onwards, and hence that is why we are here today, to improve the hair texture and to check out what's really going on. So let's go. Hi Anna, it's great to see you again. So I'm here to try out the new hair analyzer, so tell me more about it.
Welcome to Sisley.
Thank you for having me.
Sisley has been in the beauty industry for over 40 years, and last year we launched a new hair care brand called Hair Rituel. The skin and scalp have many similarities. In fact, the scalp is the extension of our face skin.
Oh really?
Yes indeed. Hair care is the new skincare. In line with Sisley's quest to be a beauty frontier, we designed a new hair analyzer.
So how does it work?
This hair analyzer has an optical sensor of 110 times on the scalp and 900 times on the hair fibre.
Oh, that is very zoomed in.
Yep. This hair analysis is free. With the result, our beauty consultant would be able to match the best products for our customers.
That is impressive. I cannot wait to see my hair results, so let's go.
Before we start, I would like to assess your hair condition. For the diagnosis, firstly, I will scan your scalp 3 times. And followed by a scan of your hair root, and lastly, your hair end. Okay, your hair vitality is at 60%.
Is that a good thing or?
That's above average. However, there's room for improvement. As you can see, the 3 points here are the areas where you can improve on: the density, the scalp moisturizing, and the diameter of the fibre. Based on your result, I would recommend for you to add these 4 products into your hair care routine.
Okay.
First, the pre-shampoo purifying mask. This mask helps to keep hair and scalp cleaner for longer hours. It also has anti-dandruff effect.
Oh, that's great.
Followed by the regenerating mask. This is to strengthen and improve the density of your hair fibre and scalp. It also helps to soothe hair itchiness.
Oh, that's wonderful.
And our third product is the best-selling product, Fortifying Serum. It helps to slow down hair loss and appearance of grey hair.
I think a lot of people are going to like this one.
Yes. Lastly, the final product, the hair care oil, to add a touch of shine and nourishment to the hair.
The perfect end to any hair care routine.
We will send the hair result and the recommended hair products information to you by email.
Thank you so much, Anna. I'll do as per your recommendation. So alright you guys, I will share with you on my hair care condition after trying this range out. So stay tuned and bye-bye now.
Bye-bye.